Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, trip computer, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, front license plate bracket, body color door handles, trailer tow group, 4-piece floor mat set. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.